everyone, today I'm going to be doing a simple eye look that looks like you've put in a lot more effort than you actually do. I've had loads of questions asking how I do my eyes, and loads of people think that because they're not that technical with makeup that they don't know how to do eye makeup that well. So this is a simple, easy way that I do it. Hope you like it, and let's get started. First I go on with the Revolution Supersized Conceal and Define Concealer for my eye base, and I do put it over my eyebrows, and then the eyeshadow that I use to do my eyebrows sticks better. So as you can see, I literally just put it everywhere, and then use a beauty blender to blend it out. And once that's done, I normally use my Exchange Palettes brushes, and for my eyebrows I use a Morphe M410 brush. I'll be doing my eyebrows off camera, so then we'll be on to the eyes. So I use the Revolution X Extravaganza eyeshadow palette, and I normally go in with this shade, Exhibit shade, for the crease. Easier to do eyeshadow if you look them down slightly, so I always put the mirror slightly underneath so you can see fully the eye crease. And my beginner friendly is just go messy with it, and then you can clean it up after. So going in with those two eyeshadows, just blend it through and go out as much as you can, because you'll be cleaning it up later. Like that. Then normally I go in with the first colour, so you get quite a lot on your brush, and then I go in with the darkest brown in this eyeshadow palette, and then I'll try and focus this mainly on the outer part.
It's the same road where same town, cause we've been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known.
When there's not much product on the brush, I normally sweep it in,
but when it melts, the other ways will show.
And the key is just to keep blending.
Make the footsteps on our own. Now life can wait,
as you can see,
just for a while.
And I'll be going in with that dark shade one more time. Mix it a little bit of black. It does look darker in person, but like that. And once you've done that, I normally go back in with the concealer, and I use a Morphe M224 brush, just a flat one to cut the crease. So I'll be back once I've done it. As you can see, I normally, when I'm doing it, I look down as I'm doing it to place it, and then I also put my mirror up so you're facing forward, see if you like how it looks when you're facing forward and when your eyes are down. So I'm just going to do the other one again. Once that's done, normally I go in with a glitter, but you can go in with a matte shade, it's completely up to you. But next I'll be going in with the Revolution X Roxy Contour and Highlight Palette, and I normally take the gold shade from my eyes. Going in with the same brush that you used to cut your crease.
But if there's
Sometimes it is better to just use your finger.
then I will just crack a smile.
And just put that all over where you put your concealer.
I had a million different things to do, and every
Once that's done, I normally once you're happy with your eyes, I normally just get like any base white and I will clean up the edges.
Lying on my own, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kind of lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent.
Copy that on the other eye. Yeah, that's something like that. And then I normally go in with my Revolution eyeliner.
But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh,
How I normally do it is I look down. After, because I know I'm not gonna normally I do my wing like that, and then as you can see I stopped where my crease is. If you follow it on, when you look down it'll be a bit weird, so I normally do that, and then I'll go down as a diamond and then fill it in. So you'll have something like that, and then when you look down you can see it's slightly diamond shaped. So do that to the other eye. So it should look something like that.
her alarm goes off and she gets up.
And then I'm going to be putting my eyelashes and doing my mascara off camera. But so far I've been using just a set of eyelashes from Shein. And the mascara that I use is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. That looks something like that. And then just fill in all your faces. When I don't have my tan, I normally use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Concealer in shade Beige Lunax True in the background now then.
Her dad only visits once a month. Since she got a family of her own, it's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse
done, I go back in with my
to look out at the sun.
But a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be.
In the afternoons on a couch day, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten.
And I'll be just setting under eyes quick with the W7 Sheer Loose Powder in Honeys. Then I'll be going in with the Revolution Contour Stick in F14, which is one that looks like that. I'm going to do a few dots. And on the forehead. And then use my Primark Prime and Infuse watermelon spray to wet my brush. This is just a brush that was in a Revolution gift set for Christmas.
I wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I could take
contour
a second
upwards
run.
because because otherwise it might start to look a bit
Carry
muddy.
on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that does.
And it will die down because you'll be putting powder over to set it in place. So I'll be back once it's done. For my powder all over the face, I have been obsessed with the Primark PS My Perfect Colour Loose Mineral Powder in Cool Sand, and it's only £2.
I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself.
And this really smooths out your complexion. And for my blush, I go in with the Blush Palette by Revolution, and I normally go with all 4 of the bottom shades.
Then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. No, I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself.
And for my contour, I normally go back in with the Roxy X Revolution, and I mix that shade with that shade. Let me know in the comments if this talking video has been a lot more helpful. If so, I'll try and do it when my son's at school.
Had 7 days since I tried
I'm
to
just
rip a chapter
quite shy,
of my
so
mind. I've tried, and his laugh was just as soft
then I
as
go on
yours,
to the gold
smiling
shade and
just
the
as
light gold shade for my highlighter
he could be what
from the same
I
palette.
like. And his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light.
I'll be doing my lips off camera, but I use the LA Colours
Feels like my hands
Auto
are tied,
Lip
hands
Liner
are tied,
in
hands are
Perfect Brown.
tied. 'Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
And I use
And he could be what I like, what I like, what I
a
like.
nude lipstick from
But he's got
Revolution. It
those
doesn't
stranger
say the
eyes,
shade,
stranger
but
eyes,
I
stranger
also mix
eyes.
concealer in to make it my type of shade, if that makes sense. So I'll be back with the finished look. And this is the finished look. Let me know what you think, and next time I'll try and film when my son's at school. He tends to get frustrated when he's on a game and he loses. So let me know if this helps. Bye!